Hello from Slovenia again. Today I try to mix this Valejjo Pearl Medium with some Pear Ex pigment. I use this one, this is turquoise. Put it in my little squeeze bottle because I want to see if I can get some lacing if I mix this pearl medium with some pigments. I have some Pear Ex pigments and some ColorArte pigments, so I want to see what will happen. And I will do the same that I did yesterday, but I will use just some blues. And I will start with this cyan blue and Pear Ex pigment mixture and the Windsor blue and lapis lazuli and Prussian blue hue. And let's go around. I didn't do it quite okay, but it will have to be okay. These little squeeze bottles are a little different. They have a little smaller holes, so and I will leave a little space here between, so because when I will put my paper napkin on, I will push paint towards the middle, so I think that it should be okay. And let's do another for those who will join me live on Sunday, as I said, I will use glue as my pouring medium, and I will use some white paint, gold, metallic gold, pearl white of course, some red and blue. Red and black. So black, white, pearl white, red and metallic gold. And we will see what will be, how the glue will work. Because as you know, Floetrol didn't work well for me. So Prussian blue, And another one. I think that this pearl mixture is a little thinner, so I don't know, we will see. I love this lapis lazuli. It's such a beautiful blue shade. It's Valejjo Studio Acrylics. And I think that I will do as I did last time, so I will add another layer of puddles just here on the corners, kind of corners. Whoop, what was this? I will turn this around because I again go to one side, if you can see. I always do that and I don't know why. And Windsor blue. Lapis lazuli. Lapis lazuli is a stone. If you don't know, you can check. And Prussian blue. I don't mind if my paint go over the edges because it's okay. And I will spray my paper napkin with water. Place it down carefully as you can, as careful as you can. And I already did you don't want to have air underneath. So let's see. And press just gently, not too hard. Just to make sure that your paper towel touches all the paint on your surface. Think that I'm okay, and now the moment of truth. I'm so excited every time when I lift my napkin. Because you never know what will happen. Yay! So obviously you can get lacing with Pear Ex pigments to just wonder how this will dry, because these pigments are really shiny. I hope that this will dry okay. I will show you, of course, dry result, but for now I think that this should work okay. I want to do this because, as I said, I have quite a lot of pigments, and it would be nice to have different shades of this pearl that creates lacing that I like so much. So I will take you for a close-up. Oop. See? The lacing is just little different, but still nice. Maybe it's a little on the thin side, my mixture, so next time I will mix it a little thicker. And it should work. So yay! So I will be able to mix my own pearl paints, colors that I can use, because I try to use Artina pearl paints and they don't lace like this. I didn't get lacing like this, so I hope that I will with these pigments, and I can't wait to try with ColorArte pigments because they are gorgeous, but my paint tends to eat them up. So I hope that if I mix them with pearl medium, that it will be okay. Yay! I'm happy, and I'm quite happy with the whole flower. So I'm happy. So this is it for today. If you like this, you know what to do. Subscribe, comment, like, share, and see you on the next one. Bye.